Welcome to HeatSign. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the portable wood laser engraver PFL10S. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what makes this compact and portable laser marker the perfect solution for your marking needs. The PFL10S is designed for flexibility and convenience. Its lightweight ergonomic build allows you to mark with precision wherever you need to, making it ideal for hard-to-reach areas and on-the-go projects. One of the standout features is its ability to mark on a wide range of materials, from wood and leather to ceramics. This level of versatility ensures you get clean, high-quality marks every time. With an easy-to-use 7-inch touchscreen, controlling the marking process is seamless. Plus, with the battery model, you can mark for up to 45 hours without being tethered to a power. Watch how effortlessly the HeatSign PFL10S engraves. Whether it's delicate designs or industrial codes, the results speak for themselves. Sharp, clear, and consistent. The PFL10S, portable, powerful, and built for precision. Visit HeatSign.com to learn more and take your marking to the next level. Thanks for watching.